city of joy enthralls with a new face, with rejuvenation in the standard of living. Now, with all the world-class amenities within reach. Kolkata now sees a sea change in printing. And one name has made it possible, a name that is synonymous with quality printing. CDC Printers draws inspiration from nature because nature is the only competitor to deliver astounding, lasting impressions. The journey began in 1990 as a DTP unit with just a laser printer and a PC. University gold medalist and chartered accountant Mr. Chittaranjan Chaudhary now owned a Chapakhana. Mr. Chaudhary hadn't taken the plunge just to run another printing unit. He had to prove a point. Quality printing was possible in Kolkata at less cost and least time, arresting the flight of jobs to other cities.
Before going to CDC printer, all our printing we were getting done from Pragati, Hyderabad, because we were very conscious about the quality of printing of all our communication material. But once we started getting our materials printed from CDC printer, particularly when I got the book which I sent on my daughter's wedding printed from CDC printer, we were so much satisfied with the quality. In fact, the entire city was praising about its quality of printing and the output, that since then everything which we want to print, whether it is PS Group's printing, whether my personal writings, or whether it is the wedding card of our family members, everything is printed at CDC printer, and we are more than satisfied with their quality.
CDC is among the most well-equipped printing houses of India, with state-of-the-art technology to ensure high quality and fast turnaround of any job. From color management systems to computer-to-plate output to the latest online coating facilities. And CDC was amongst the first few offset printers in Kolkata to install a brand new 4-color Heidelberg press. With time, CDC has grown to be one of the most trusted printing presses in India. 20,000 square feet of shop floor, 100+ workforce, 24/7 schedule, and 100% power backup.
Normally, one would assume that an agency, a creative agency, takes the printer's business ahead. I'll give you an interesting instance where we feel that CDC has actually taken our business ahead, and this happened about 5 months ago when we were working on a book for a client in Ahmedabad called Riddhi Siddhi Globobiols. During the middle of the assignment, the client very honestly asked us whether the project and the assignment should be called off or whether it should be continued. The client's biggest problem was that the client did not think that we would be able to deliver the product, which is the book, on a specific date. This date was very important because the client had a function in Ahmedabad. We checked with CDC and CDC said, don't worry, we will deliver. There were only 4 days for the client to deliver. We delivered the CD to CDC sometime early in the morning at about 7 o'clock. And I think 5 or 6 hours before the scheduled time of delivery, CDC delivered copies to the client. What actually happened was that not only did CDC deliver a copy which was very well printed, very well bound, very well packaged, but delivered a little ahead of schedule. As a result, what happened was that the client's expectation or client's satisfaction was transformed into client delight. I think this is one remarkable instance where most agencies, most printers would probably have said they won't be able to do it. I think that was one instance where we felt, or rather among a number of instances will stand out in my mind, where CDC has actually taken our business ahead.
CDC offers modern specialty printing solutions that are effective, pocket-friendly, yet globally acceptable, backed by the latest world-class machinery and a skilled workforce.
We have been using the services of CDC printers for the last 4 years now. We have monthly publications, 3 to 5 monthly publications. So every month we send 5 magazines to print to CDC. But in the last 48 months, I have never faced ever any single problem with CDC. Moreover, CDC has been very accommodative. Even if we have failed to meet our deadlines, they have been able to push their deadlines and still accommodate whatever job we have given them. And as a result, we have never missed on the other deadlines. CDC's performance during this tenure has been impeccable. Their track record is awesome. So I would say that as a client, as a customer, I am more than satisfied with what I have got from CDC.
It is the only printing house in Kolkata having invested in a Mitsubishi Diamond 1000 with online aqueous coater to deliver smudge-free print. 2 thermal CTPs that make positive making redundant. High-tech folding machine and perfect binder, both from world leaders Horizon of Japan, for that perfect finish. Among the other host of modern equipment that the post press department houses includes spot UV machine, cutting machine, punching machine, wire machine, nipping machine, section sewing machine, hard case binder, lamination machine. CDC is committed to deliver quality jobs every time. With 100% quality control and quality assurance, CDC is today setting new benchmarks in printing that others have to keep up with.
There is a second instance that I wish to talk about. Some years ago, we received an assignment from a client in Chennai for a brochure. This client is a client called Opaline, or rather it's a project called Opaline, and the client's name is Olympia. Doing a brochure is just one part of the game. Everyone can do a brochure. But when we suggested to CDC that we didn't just want a brochure, but we wanted a package. And in the package would be a brochure, would be some perfume bottles, would also be a small booklet. I think the entire project extended beyond just a brochure. And CDC delivered what in my mind is something that I still show a number of my prospective clients if I want business. But this is quite an interesting way to put it to you, that CDC doesn't just print a document. What we saw in that package was, if you do something for me in which I can show somebody else and get more business, then CDC is actually not just driving business for that specific client, but for a number of other clients where we can get business and again give CDC, who again can give us products, who we can show a wider number of clients and get more business. I think this concept of a virtuous cycle is what makes our relationship with CDC not only a successful one, but a growing one and a profitable one for both parties.
To ensure the highest